5. Reasons snakes are awesome. Snake safety and animal facts. Snakes have long fascinated humans, capturing our imaginations in stories, myths, and even our nightmares. However, beyond the fearsome reputation that some species have garnered, snakes are truly remarkable creatures deserving of respect and admiration. This article explores 5 compelling reasons why snakes are awesome, while also offering crucial insights into snake safety and fascinating animal facts that can help deepen our understanding and appreciation of these extraordinary reptiles. 1. Snakes as masterful predators. A. Evolutionary success, millions of years of adaptation. Snakes are one of the most successful groups of predators on the planet. Having evolved over 100 million years ago, their design has been honed through millennia, making them efficient hunters perfectly suited to their environments. Unlike many other animals, snakes lack limbs, a feature that may seem like a disadvantage but is actually key to their success. Their elongated bodies and highly flexible spines allow them to move with precision and stealth, enabling them to navigate a wide range of terrains from dense forests to arid deserts. Diverse hunting techniques. The diversity in hunting strategies among snake species is nothing short of extraordinary. For instance, constrictors like pythons and boas utilize their muscular bodies to suffocate prey by coiling around them and tightening their grip with each exhale. In contrast, venomous snakes such as cobras, vipers, and rattlesnakes have developed specialized fangs to inject potent venom into their prey, immobilizing or killing it swiftly. These varying methods demonstrate the incredible adaptability of snakes, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments and hunt a wide array of prey species from small mammals and birds to amphibians and even other reptiles. C. Sensory marvels. Snakes possess highly developed sensory systems that aid them in locating and capturing prey. For example, many snakes have heat-sensing pits located on their faces, which allow them to detect the infrared radiation emitted by warm-blooded animals. This ability is particularly advantageous for nocturnal hunters, enabling them to see in the dark. Additionally, snakes' tongues, often seen flicking in and out, are vital for sensing their environment. By collecting airborne particles and bringing them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouths, snakes can effectively smell their surroundings, helping them track prey and navigate their habitat. 2. Incredible adaptability, thriving across the globe. A global presence. Snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica, a testament to their incredible adaptability. From the sweltering deserts of Africa to the rainforests of South America, and even the backyards of suburban homes, snakes have made their mark on nearly every environment on Earth. This global distribution highlights their ability to thrive in a wide range of climates and conditions, from the arid sands of the Sahara to the lush, humid canopies of the Amazon. B. Remarkable physiology, surviving extreme conditions. The physiology of snakes is incredibly versatile, enabling them to survive and even flourish in extreme conditions that would challenge many other animals. For example, some species of snakes have evolved to survive in the harshest of deserts, where temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night. These snakes have developed ways to regulate their body temperature, such as burrowing underground or becoming more active during cooler parts of the day. In colder climates, certain species like the European viper have adapted to survive long, freezing winters by hibernating for months at a time. During hibernation, their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy until the environment becomes hospitable again. C. Versatile diets. Snakes also exhibit remarkable adaptability in their diets. While some species are specialists, feeding on a narrow range of prey, others are generalists capable of consuming a wide variety of animals. For example, the common garter snake can eat everything from earthworms and amphibians to small fish and rodents. This dietary flexibility enables snakes to survive in diverse environments, ensuring they can find food even when their preferred prey is scarce. 3. Fascinating reproduction and parental strategies. 8. Ovoviviparity and live birth. One of the most intriguing aspects of snake biology is their diverse reproductive strategies. While many animals lay eggs, some snake species give birth to live young, a process known as ovoviviparity. In ovoviviparous species, the eggs develop inside the mother's body, and the young are born alive, fully formed and ready to fend for themselves. This method of reproduction provides certain advantages, such as better protection of the developing embryos and the ability to reproduce in environments where eggs might be vulnerable to predators or harsh conditions. B. Egg-laying species and maternal care. Other snake species like pythons and king cobras lay eggs. Interestingly, some of these species exhibit a form of maternal care, which is rare among reptiles. For example, female pythons will coil around their eggs to protect them from predators and regulate their temperature by shivering to generate heat. This level of parental investment is unusual for reptiles and underscores the complex behaviors that snakes are capable of. C. Asexual reproduction parthenogenesis. In some rare cases, certain species of snakes can reproduce asexually through a process called parthenogenesis. This phenomenon, where an unfertilized egg develops into a fully formed offspring, allows female snakes to reproduce without mating. While parthenogenesis is more common in invertebrates, its occurrence in snakes is a fascinating example of the diverse reproductive strategies in the animal kingdom. It also raises intriguing questions about the evolutionary benefits and genetic diversity associated with this form of reproduction. 4. Vital ecological roles, the unsung heroes of ecosystems. Natural pest control. One of the most important roles that snakes play in ecosystems is as natural pest controllers. Many snake species feed on rodents, which are often considered pests by humans due to their potential to spread disease and damage crops. By keeping rodent populations in check, snakes help maintain the balance in various ecosystems and contribute to the health of agricultural systems. This pest control service is particularly crucial in areas where rodents can cause significant economic damage, such as in farming communities. B. Key players in the food web. Snakes occupy a vital position in the food web, acting both as predators and prey. As predators, they help regulate the populations of their prey species, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant and disrupting the balance of the ecosystem. For example, in some environments, snakes are the primary predators of amphibians, which are themselves crucial for controlling insect populations. By keeping amphibian numbers in check, snakes indirectly contribute to the regulation of insect populations, highlighting their importance in maintaining ecological balance. On the other hand, snakes are also prey for a variety of animals, including birds of prey, mammals, and even other snakes. This dual role as both predator and prey underscores the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the importance of each species within it. C. Indicators of environmental health. Because of their sensitivity to environmental changes, snakes can serve as indicators of ecosystem health. For instance, a decline in snake populations might signal broader ecological issues such as habitat loss, pollution, or climate change. Monitoring snake populations can provide valuable insights into the state of the environment and help guide conservation efforts. This role as ecological indicators further emphasizes the importance of snakes in maintaining the health and stability of ecosystems around the world. 5. Cultural significance in the human-snake relationship. Mythology and symbolism. Snakes have long held a prominent place in human culture, mythology, and symbolism. Across various cultures, snakes have been revered, feared, and respected, often embodying dualities such as life and death, creation and destruction, or good and evil. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the snake-headed goddess Wadjet was a symbol of protection, while in Hinduism, the snake, Naga, is associated with water, fertility, and the underworld. In Greek mythology, the serpent is often seen as a guardian of sacred places, such as the Oracle of Delphi, where the python was associated with the god Apollo. The symbolism of snakes extends to modern times, where they continue to appear in literature, art, and even as symbols of healing and medicine, as seen in the caduceus and rod of Asclepius. Fear and misunderstanding, overcoming phobias. Despite their cultural significance, snakes are often misunderstood and feared by many people. Ophidiophobia, or the fear of snakes, is one of the most common phobias worldwide. This fear can stem from a variety of sources, including a lack of understanding, negative portrayals in media, or simply the innate wariness that many people feel towards reptiles. However, education and exposure can play a significant role in overcoming this fear. Learning about the vital ecological roles that snakes play, as well as the safety measures that can be taken to avoid dangerous encounters, can help people appreciate these animals rather than fear them. Many organizations and wildlife educators work to dispel myths about snakes and promote coexistence, emphasizing that most snakes are not dangerous to humans and play crucial roles in their ecosystems. C. Conservation and coexistence. The relationship between humans and snakes is complex, particularly as human activities continue to encroach on natural habitats. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are all threats to snake populations worldwide. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these reptiles and the ecosystems they inhabit. In many parts of the world, efforts are being made to promote coexistence between humans and snakes. This includes educating communities about snake behavior, encouraging the protection of natural habitats, and supporting the conservation of endangered snake species. By fostering a deeper understanding and respect for snakes, we can ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive alongside us. Snake safety, coexisting with snakes. While snakes are incredible animals deserving of our respect, it's also important to be mindful of safety when encountering them, especially in areas where venomous species are present. Here are some key tips for coexisting safely with snakes. Recognizing venomous snakes. One of the most important steps in snake safety is being able to identify venomous species in your area. Familiarize yourself with the appearance and behavior of local venomous snakes, and learn how to distinguish them from non-venomous species. In North America, for example, venomous snakes such as rattlesnakes, copperheads, and cottonmouths, water moccasins have distinctive features including triangular heads, elliptical pupils, and heat-sensing pits. Avoiding snake encounters. To minimize the risk of encountering snakes, be cautious when hiking or walking in areas where snakes are known to live. Stay on designated paths, avoid tall grass and underbrush, and be mindful of where you step, especially when climbing rocks or logs. Wearing sturdy boots and long pants can also provide some protection in case of accidental encounters. What to do if you encounter a snake. If you come across a snake, it's important to remain calm and avoid sudden movements. Most snakes are not aggressive and will not attack unless they feel threatened. Back away slowly, giving the snake plenty of space to retreat. Never attempt to handle or capture a snake, especially if you are unsure of its species. Snake bites, prevention and first aid. While the majority of snakes are not venomous, it's still crucial to know what to do in the event of a snake bite. If bitten by a snake, try to remain as calm and still as possible to slow the spread of venom. Seek immediate medical attention, as prompt treatment is essential for venomous bites. Do not attempt to suck out the venom or use a tourniquet, as these methods can do more harm than good. Fascinating snake facts, expanding your knowledge. To wrap up our exploration of why snakes are awesome, here are some fascinating snake facts that highlight the diversity and wonder of these creatures. The longest snake, the reticulated python, holds the title of the longest snake in the world, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 30 feet. Venom potency, the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake, has the most toxic venom of any snake. However, it is reclusive and rarely encountered by humans. Snake locomotion. Snakes can move in various ways, including slithering, sidewinding, and even flying from tree to tree in some species like the paradise tree snake. Forked tongue. The forked tongue of a snake allows it to detect chemical cues in the environment, helping it track prey and navigate its surroundings. Shedding skin. Snakes periodically shed their skin in a process called ecdysis. This allows them to grow and also helps remove parasites. Snake digestion. After consuming large prey, some snakes can go for months without eating again thanks to their slow metabolism and efficient digestion. Venom evolution. Snake venom is a complex mixture of proteins that has evolved over millions of years. It can vary widely between species, with some venoms being primarily neurotoxic, affecting the nervous system, while others are hemotoxic, affecting blood and tissue. Snake eyes. Unlike humans, most snakes have fixed eyelids that form a transparent scale called a spectacle or brill, which protects their eyes. Heat-sensing pit vipers, pythons, and some boas have specialized heat-sensing organs that allow them to detect the body heat of their prey, even in total darkness. Snake conservation. Many snake species are threatened by habitat loss, climate change, and human persecution. Conservation efforts are critical to ensuring their survival. Conclusion. Snakes are undoubtedly among the most fascinating and misunderstood creatures on Earth. From their incredible adaptability and hunting prowess to their vital roles in ecosystems, snakes demonstrate the wonder of evolution and the intricate balance of nature. While they're often feared, learning about snakes and understanding their behavior can help dispel myths and foster a more harmonious relationship between humans and these remarkable reptiles. By respecting snakes and taking simple precautions when in their habitats, we can coexist with them safely and appreciate the many ways in which they contribute to the natural world. Snakes are not just fearsome predators. They are integral parts of the ecosystems they inhabit and symbols of the diversity and resilience of life on our planet. So the next time you see a snake, remember that you are in the presence of a creature with millions of years of evolutionary history, a master of survival, and a vital component of the natural world. Snakes are truly awesome, and they deserve our admiration and respect.